Hello, how are ya? I hope you're doing well. Um, it's Monday. I had a really good weekend, and I know it's been a while since I've actually done another video, but I was waiting for some stuff, and this is the stuff. So we've got an unboxing video this evening for the Chenyu Guardian X-1, and let's see, I figured you guys know obviously what USPS packaging looks like. So decided to sort of skip that, and we'll just get right to the unboxing. Got a little bit of an X-Acto knife today. Again, not really a knife guy. Let's get rid of this stuff. Okay, Chenyu. And it looks like Chenyu is not, they've gotten away a little bit from this packaging, which I really liked, because this is awesome, though. I can see with the foam and the size of the container is probably a little bit expensive to make. So we have this box now, and looks like it opens up from the bottom. It does. So sorry. There we go. All right. I think it's safe to say I kind of suck at this. There we go. All right. Very nice. So we've got some stuff here. Ooh, wow, we've got a lot of stuff. All right, so, okay, this looks like maybe it's like a Teflon thing. We'll see. Some Chenyu stickers. Very cool. A lot of parts. This is great. So we've got a screwdriver, we've got some additional screws here, and it looks like we've got spheres and some additional springs, which is cool. Very excited to sort of get this tuned in, and one of the things I really would like to change about it, if I have to, is to make it harder to actually push. I know that's kind of weird, but that's kind of my thing. I'd like things to be a little bit harder to push. I'm not sure if this is a certificate of authenticity, but there's definitely some QR codes here that we'll give a try too. And here we have the Guardian X-1. So this is in stainless steel. Again, because I like things a little on the heavier side, wanted to go ahead with this, and there is a you can see right here a QC code that it passed, thankfully. And let's go ahead and open this guy up. All right. There we go. All right, cool. So, sorry, you guys can see that. It says Chenyu in the middle here. Man, if I could actually... Yeah, that is not going to focus. Sorry, gang. Nothing on the other side. So let's give it a whirl. Oop, I've got it on the, oh wow. Yeah, so this is really nice. So you can see here in the middle, the tract here, we've got more of the, I guess what they call dense field. And so this is definitely going to require some taking apart. But overall, I like the feel, and I love the ratcheting. That's really nice. Yeah. So okay, cool, very good. I will. So let me back up. I'm going to actually do a video of the comparison between this, the X-1, and the original Guardian, which I bought used on the secondary market, and I love that thing, and I can already tell I'm going to like this as well. It has a different sort of feel in the hand, but I'll get into that in the comparison. But man, I really do like the sound first. Yes, very nice. This is surprisingly smooth, actually. Even though you hear the sound, it doesn't give you a ton of sort of haptic feedback. So maybe that's something that I'll change with the stiffer springs. I'm assuming there are stiffer springs in here. But I'll take this apart in another video and do the comparison. But at first, just wanted to show you guys what had just come into the mail. And already excited by this. Chenyu, I think, makes some great products. I mean, the Guardian line is no exception to that. I am definitely a fan. Yeah, if we want to, we can do some really quick measurements. I don't have my scale with me. I think, I don't know where it went. I think I actually need to put batteries in it. But yeah, we can do a quick measurement. Oh yeah, and here is a little spot for lanyard. I totally missed that. Wow, okay, good. So let's get the overall length of this. And we are at 52.6, oh, sorry, 52.95. Cool, all right, and then we'll do the width here. Oops, if I could actually hold on to it. So 28 millimeters wide, and then thickness 14.2. See if there's any. If it's, yeah, if you just measure out the outside lip here, it's a little bit more. I don't know, 14.24. So yeah, the Chenyu Guardian X-1. I am going to most likely be a big fan of this. I am very, very interested to see how the characteristics of it change with the springs and the spheres, to see if it causes a different sound and a different haptic feedback feeling to it. But overall, already a big fan. This thing is great. I have a manual transmission car, so I don't get a chance to fidget as much in the car as I'd like. But I can already tell this is going to be definitely one that I choose if I'm going on a long trip and I'm going to be off of the clutch and on the highway. So very excited to mess around with this, and very excited to show you guys how we can change this and you know, what the results of those changes yield. So yeah, this is the Chenyu X-1. Thank you so much for hanging out. And if you have any questions about this, please let me know. I'll try to get some batteries for the scale, and we can get some weights the next time around when I'm doing the comparison video with the original Guardian. And yeah, so thank you again for hanging out, choosing to click and spend some time with me. Really appreciate it. Any questions, feel free to ask. And I hope you have a great night, and I will see you guys in the next video.